So I wanted to show you a typical stateroom on a Celebrity Silhouette cruise. So you've got your queen size bed here, and up above, lots of great flip-up storage, which really comes in handy. A decent size closet with hangers already in there. You have a couch, which also can be made into a bed, either a single bed or it's pulled out. Your room porter will do that every night and then make it up in the morning so you can sit on the couch. Over here there's a TV, flat screen that pulls to the side so you can see it from every angle. Lots of great storage space. You've got a safe and a refrigerator with a mini bar. And then a nice vanity over here. Ours is nice and messy, thanks to my teenager, but lots of room to sit down and do your makeup. And then my favorite part is our port window. I just love to just come over here, sit down and watch the waves. Now we're on the 3rd floor, so we're as close to the water as you can get, but we don't have a deck. Some of the more expensive rooms actually have a deck you can walk out on, but I like being close to the water and seeing it up close like this. So just to come back around, I'll take you over to the bathroom area. You've got a nice full-length mirror here, which is great for getting ready. You're going to want to dress up for a lot of the dinners, so it's nice to have this mirror. And the bathroom's actually a little bigger than I thought it would be. So you've got towels here, lots of storage room on the left, a nice sink area with room and more drawers. And the shower is about the size of a phone booth, but it gets the job done. Nice hot and cold running water, place to put your shampoo and other items. And then of course, every suite on the back of the door has instructions with your muster station. So at the beginning of the cruise, they'll take you there and instruct you on what you would need to do in case there was an emergency. And this tells you exactly where you would need to go. The life vests you'll find under the couch I showed you earlier. So if you hear those 7 blasts from the ship, that's where you go. And hopefully you won't need to leave the ship. So that's a typical stateroom on the Celebrity Silhouette. We are just coming back from a 9-day cruise where we went to the Cayman Islands. We also went to the ABC Islands, Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, and now we're heading back to Fort Lauderdale. We didn't spend a lot of time in this room because there was so much to do all over the ship and of course on the islands. But when we were here, it was a very comfortable space. It was always clean. Our beds were turned down every night and made after we left in the morning. And it was just really enjoyable to be in here when we were here. So if you're heading off to a cruise, happy cruising. You'll love the Celebrity Silhouette.